Hey guys, Nisi here, back with another review slash haul video for you guys. I picked this cute little package here up, and I thought it was just too cute to just pass by, right? It's actually like a coloring combo package, whatever, something. Anyway, it's Papermate, and it has 20 color pencils, 6 felt tip Papermate Flair pens, and 6 inkjoy Papermate gel pens. And I thought, guys, this was so cute. I mainly just pretty much bought it for the case because the case was like super duper cute, right? So, yeah. How many of you guys buy stuff because the packaging is just so cute? Guilty. Well, anyway, okay, why don't I just get a scissor and just... You guys get scared when you see these scissors coming out, don't you? You should. We're just going to open this up, and I'm going to share with you guys what's in here. And in case you may want to purchase you one, you'll just know what's in here and how it looks and all that good stuff, and how they perform. So it comes with these 20 color pencils. Now I've already swatched these pencils, guys, because I actually bought 2 of these. And I purchased this from Walmart. So it comes with the little protector, and it has a coloring book inside also. And the paper quality in these coloring books, guys, is like really nice for pen and marker, so it won't bleed through. I guess it won't bleed through. We can try it together, but it's really nice. The paper is really smooth, but it's a nice quality paper, and it's double side, and it's only a few pages, but it's really cute. I like it. Very nice, very nice. So that comes in here also. Sit that there, and it comes with all of these pencils and pens. Now I'm sure, guys, you are familiar with the Flair pens and the Papermate and inkjoy gel pens, but you may not be familiar with, well, I know at least I was not familiar with the colored pencils. I was like, Papermate has colored pencils? What? So that completely, excuse me, threw me for a loop, guys. I was like, wait a minute now, color pencils from Papermate, what in the world? So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you a little bit with these colored pencils, how they look. And surprisingly, these 20 colored pencils were very, very, very pigmented and smooth, and I was very, very impressed with the quality of these Papermate pencils. So I've already put them, excuse me, in a pencil case, and I've already swatched them out. And whether they're oil or wax base, I have no clue, but they feel very, very nice. I'm just going to swatch out a few for you guys. There are no names or numbers or anything to identify that they're different colors. Just the barrel is like the color that it's supposed to be, and then it has Papermate and pretty silver writing. So I would say the feel of these, I mean, they're super pigmented. The pigment is beautiful. So I'm going to put a P there. That black is beautiful. So let's compare it with the Kohinoor polycolor and see how that feels. They feel very, very, very similar, guys. So if this is not a wax-based pencil, if it's not an oil-based pencil, the Papermate, then hey, it must be a really, really, really good wax-based pencil. So let's try a dark blue of the Papermate. That's heavy pressure. That's light pressure. And let's try the dark blue over here with the polycolor. Well, I definitely can feel more oil. That's not the right dark blue. Let's try this dark blue. That's a little bit better. Okay. And maybe even, oh, that's even more better. Okay, so I would say that these pencils are definitely comparable, here's a dark green, to the Kohinoor Polycolor. Very nice colored pencil. Very nice. And all in all, let's try our red. Very nice, very nice. I really like the color payoff. So there you have it, guys. Hey, if you are interested in the Papermate set and hey, you wanted to know how the pencils work, they work very nicely. They're pretty comparable, in my opinion, to the Polycolor of Kohinoor. Let's see if maybe, let's see, I think I have my Dick Blicks in here, so let's try those also. Yeah. So here we go. Let's try this blue and see how it feels in comparison. Let's put a B here. Well, those Papermate feel pretty much like the Blick Studio. They feel more like the Blick here than the Kohinoor. All right, let's get a green here. Nice, 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 nice. And let's try this red here. I'm always dropping stuff, aren't I, guys? Ooh, my goodness, that red is amazing. Let me go a little less saturated, guys. I don't want to put any kind of pencil to shame over these Blick Studios. Let me get a little less pigments at red, because that red is amazing. Wait a minute, that one is a little amazing too. Let me go a little bit lighter. Okay, forget that. Yeah, let's just leave the red alone. Let's try the black. Oh wow, Blick, you kind of got the polycolor beat. Wait a minute, what kind of review is this turning into? Well, no comment. So guys, let's give you a closer look. There you have it. I think they all are pretty comparable to one another. They lay down very nicely. Let's get the dust off. They lay down very nicely. And of course, your pencils are going to be different depending on the feel of them, how much oil they have in them, and all that good stuff. So again, it comes with the inkjoy gel. You like it when I flip pencils, don't you? Flipping pencils. Ooh, Papermates. Wow, that's a smooth writing gel pen. Oh my gosh. And here's the flair. Oh, it's more like a marker. Nice. That gel pen was like super, super smooth, guys, and it felt so amazing. I haven't even gotten the little tips off of these yet. Ooh, beautiful. Yes. And this is the flair. Yes. I like these, guys. So if you run up on Papermate and you see one in your local Walmart, grab it up. If you like pens and gel pens and all that good stuff, I think it's a really good deal on the pencils. The 20 pencils are very nice. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me on this quick, fast, and in a hurry review with Dollar Ziva. And you have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day. And as always, happy coloring. Bye.